Welcome back. Today I have a ton of cleaning and organizing to do. You guys, I'm going to start off in my laundry room. I got a new washer and dryer. I am like so excited. I have to take some furniture out of the house. We're going to be doing some decluttering and cleaning in the kitchen. And I'm going to give you an update of our old house, how it's coming along, and how we're getting it ready to sell. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Helena. I'm a mom of 3 little ones. I do cleaning, organizing, decluttering, clean with me videos for cleaning motivation, as well as some DIY and design. And we've recently purchased a new house, so there has been a ton of cleaning going on. Not too much design and decor. We're just trying to kind of get settled into the home at the moment. Get everything organized. Eventually, within a year or two, we do plan on doing like a full remodel of the home, entirely the kitchen, the first floor, and parts of the second floor. But for now, we really have to focus on getting the living situation situated and having the house kind of work for us and organized. So in the last video, you saw the old washer and dryer, and it was so rusted out and dingy. I mean, there were so many issues with that washer and dryer. It came with the house. So I was super excited to get my new washer and dryer. And I did quite a bit of research into washers and dryers. In our previous house, we had a Samsung. I didn't want to go with Samsung again just because their reputation on appliances isn't the greatest. So this time around, it was between LG Electrolux and GE. I did end up going with the GEs. I also got the pedestals, which was the best decision I've made so far. I was kind of debating whether or not to spend the extra money, and I am so happy that I did. It has been a lot easier to do laundry. I'm not obviously bending over and having to pull laundry, from practically the floor. So that has been really nice. The washer and dryer has been so far working out really wonderfully for us. I can't complain. I do hope that it does hold up. Some of the new appliances I feel like today don't work as well as some of the old school appliances did for our parents. have to start in the kitchen. And the very first thing that I need to do is empty out the dishwasher. In our old house, we had a dishwasher obviously in the main kitchen, and downstairs bar area we didn't have a dishwasher. I really spent a lot of time just hand washing dishes, which is great, which is fine. But I have been using the dishwasher left and right in this house. I am also a lot busier in this house with the 3 kids, the activities and things like that. So I just don't want to spend all of my time washing dishes, because that is kind of time consuming. Right now, me and my husband are going to take some of the furniture that we brought over from our last house out. This was like a desk that we had in the downstairs office. I do not want to keep this desk. This is going to go into the garage for now. We're going to give it to my brother. We have a office downstairs in this house in our walkout basement, and that has a built-in desk. So we're going to keep that. We don't need this, and I do not want to keep it for the kids. I'd prefer to eventually buy something that I think we really like for them. And I'm going to go through real quick and kind of start unboxing my daughter's crib. I bought her a new crib for her bedroom, and my husband is going to help set it up today. So we're just going to unbox. I do have 2 cribs. I did end up getting the second crib. It was like $1, literally, like on total utter clearance. So that second crib, I'm going to take a look at it, take some pictures of it, and put it up on Facebook Marketplace. Hopefully at least get like $50 for it. But I will be setting up our crib today. The one thing on my wish list, though, when we do remodel this kitchen, it's going to be, I have like this great vision for it, but I do want to enlarge this window. I want to double the window. I love large windows, and I definitely want to increase the window size and just make the kitchen so much brighter. We do have a lot of windows in this house, so the house is kind of bright as it is already. But I really want just that big, beautiful, huge window to look out as I'm doing the dishes. The one thing that I have to start thinking about and preparing myself is the pantry organization. Eventually, this pantry will get totally redone. We're gonna have like custom cabinets in there. But for now, we have wire shelving in there. And I do need to stock up on some containers to have that pantry organized. If you guys have any recommendations on really great containers that you use for your pantry or that you have seen, let me know in the comments. I really do need to pick something up pretty quickly. It's kind of important that we get our food situation obviously organized because it's going to make our life a little bit easier. So we have this dish rack here, and I absolutely hate it. Now this piece is not removable, so it is actually really terrible to clean this. And I'm just kind of doing like a quick vacuum, but it's really not working very well. So my husband's gonna have to remove those tacks, and we're gonna have to get in there to clean. That is for a different day. We're gonna have to re-tack it back in. Eventually, I will not be designing this kitchen with this dish holder. This is just a dust magnet, and I would definitely not recommend. We did a thing. We went and got a puppy for my kids. We got a little golden retriever. His name is Biscuit, and he is just the cutest. He's gonna take a walk with us. We're going on a walk with both my daughters right now, and we've got Biscuit with us. He has been awesome. Obviously, he's a puppy, so he doesn't listen. I wanted to adopt or rescue a little bit of an older dog. My husband and my kids really wanted a puppy, so I agreed to a puppy because this will probably be the only time that we get a puppy. Eventually, it's only going to be a little bit older dogs that are rescued. You guys, this is what our old house looks like. We have repainted the entire house, and we are doing touch-ups. We're doing some touch-ups on the trim as well, and we're getting it ready. We are also resanding the floors. That way we can put a fresh coat on the floors. The goal for this house is to make it look like no one lived here. Obviously, this house was a guts renovation a few years ago, right before we moved in, but we want to make the house look just as fresh as it did before we moved in. And so we've got a little bit of work going on today. My husband and my brother are upstairs. They're going to be sanding the floors and trying to get that ready. But the house looks so much bigger since it's empty, and it just looks so much brighter. Obviously, I think the next family who's going to purchase this house probably won't have 3 kids. Maybe they will, maybe they won't. Maybe they'll be, a lot more organized than I was and have a lot less junk. But this is the current stage of the house. It just looks so much bigger, in my opinion, than it did before. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. I love hearing from everyone.